the normal size. Okay, so maybe you will see. Let me check it again. Let me check it again. 1, 2, 3. Nope. Okay, so only YouTube comments will be presented. Right? Yeah, right here. YouTube comments. All right, next time I will set up Twitch comments. Not a big deal. So it was not a big deal. So as you can see, the big picture here is it's called present continuous questions. That's what we're going to learn today. And I changed my helper from the big guy to the small guy, so it will be easier. So it's lesson number 4. Lesson number 4 from Murphy's Essential Grammar, and let's begin. So, are you doing? It's a question in present continuous. And last time I promised you to tell you how many verbs there are in English language. And now we can see, so most of you were told that in English language there are 12 grammar tenses. You can see 3 basic tenses, past, present, and future, and 4 aspects, 4 types: simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. So you can make tenses by combining those tenses and aspects, like present simple, present continuous, present perfect continuous, past simple, past continuous, past perfect continuous, and future simple, future continuous, future perfect continuous. But those are only the basic tenses. So there are 12. So the full table with the tenses looks like that. It was extremely hard to find it. Even when I asked Google how many tenses in English, the first answer I got is 12. So actually it's not 12. As you can see, it's a bit more than 12. Well, actually there are 26 of them. The thing is, we should add one more tense here, and it is called future in the past. As you can see, present, past, future, and future in the past. So future in the past is like not the real tense or like time. It's like it's a tense from the grammar point of view. So when something, or okay, let's say when someone in the past were talking or was talking about the future, so it's future in the past, because for the people, for things in the past, it would be future. But for us, we don't know what it is. It might be present, future, or the past. So it's like very specific. When someone in the past was talking about the future, so that is what future in the past is. Okay, so if we add future in the past, we've got 16 tenses. Plus, we have passive voice. So when we use active voice, we have someone or something who makes action. But in passive voice, we have only action, but it's not stated who did it, who made the action. Or it's not important, but you will never know usually. So it's like another side of the coin. Like first side is like active voice, and the another side is passive voice. So in passive voice, some tenses are absent, like all perfect continuous tenses are absent, and like future continuous and future in the past continuous are also absent. So we have only 10 tenses in the passive voice, so plus 16, so total we have 26 tenses. So And the present continuous. So we learned to be in present simple. So we're talking about. So let me. So we were talking about to be verb in present simple, and the last lesson we were talking about present continuous. Present continuous. So like positive sentences, negative sentences, and today we're going to talk about questions. So we are in this square, in this part of the table with tenses. And actually we're going to get back to the present simple tense because we were talking only about to be verb in present simple, but we have to discuss about other verbs, all the other verbs in present simple. But the thing is, present simple, like to be verb in present simple and present continuous are connected between each other because of to be verb. And today we're going to look closer at how to make questions in present continuous. Actually, it's not very complicated, so let's briefly look at it and then we will do some exercises. So positive form of present continuous is like I am doing, he's doing, she's working, it is working, we are going, you are staying, they are staying, etc. So you have to take like subject, then like who or what. Well, those are pronouns or also they are nouns. So let's say subject plus to be verb, like M is R form, depends on what kind of person says, like I, he, she, it, we, you, they. Wait, it's not like person. It's called a bit different. And I forgot actually how to name it. Okay, thank you, Google Translator. All right, whatever. I cannot find it, but I will find it a bit later. So, what we should know is that we have to transform to be verb depends on the what like kind of pronoun we have, like I am, he's, she's, it is, we are, you are, they are. So if it's I, it's always am. If it's he, she, it, it's always is. If it's everything else, it's are. And like mostly it's about plural. Not mostly all the time it's about plural. Well, not all the time, because you refers to many people and to one person. It might be. Okay, so next one. Questions. So you can see a picture here. Situation. A woman is standing in front of the table, and under the table someone is sitting. Maybe it's a man, maybe it's a kid. He looks like a man. So he is sitting under the table. He is sitting right now, and she's asking, "What are you doing? What are you doing right now?" So you see that positive sentence would be like you are doing or you are sitting, but we put are, like auxiliary verb, before the subject. So it was after subject in positive sense, but in question it is before subject. Are you? It was you are, but now it's are you, and question word in the very beginning of the sentence. Okay. So so it's simple as that. So just put to be verb before the subject. Like it was I am, it becomes am I. He is he. She is she. It is it. We are we. You are you. They are they. Easy. Okay, and of course we are adding the verb plus ing ending. Like am I working? Am I working? Yes, I am. I'm working. I'm a teacher. Uh, like is he doing something? What is he doing? We can ask, and the answer will be he's sitting under the table. Is it working? Are we staying? Are you doing? Are they working? Etc. And so on and so forth. So let's look at the examples here. Are you feeling okay? Yes, I'm fine, thanks. Are you feeling? You are feeling positive, and this is a question. It is raining. Yes, take an umbrella. Why are you wearing a coat? It's not cold. What's Paul doing? It's like contracted is here. What is Paul doing? He's studying for his exams. What are the children doing? They're watching TV. Look, there's Emily. Where's she going? Who are who are you waiting for? Are you waiting for Sue? Okay, let's look here. And what do we have here? What do we have here? Okay, let's make a pause and then